I'd like to share with you the reflection of the ICR on the indispensability of the food cold chain. Indeed, I think we all agree, refrigeration is essential for human food supply. Without refrigeration, no safe food and no healthy food, and also a huge amount of food losses and waste. On this way, I think we all agree on saying that the development of refrigeration is indispensable to the sustainable development of our world. But on the other hand, the refrigeration technologies are using refrigerants responsible for direct carbon emissions. And in addition, the energy consumption of the refrigerating equipment is also responsible of indirect carbon emissions. Therefore, the notion of sustainability of the food cold chain has to be reassessed and to be thought with a new sight, integrating its role on the food providing to the world population and, at the same time, its global impact on the environment. If you want to share this reflection with us, please join us in Montreal for the 25th International Congress of Refrigeration.